Hi, Kathy here with Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I have another unboxing, and I have joined the So Long with Fort Worth Fabric Studio, and it's called Boo to You Mystery. Now they have sent the fabric. Along with the fabric, they've sent some strawberry lemonade. They've sent these teeny little clothespins. And then the fabrics are Halloween fabric, and I'm going to show them to you. Here's the first one. That's pretty neat. Connect the dots. Here's the other side. Out of the way. The next one's a real pretty orange with polka dots. Here's black with orange polka dots. And then here's the connect the dots with the black fabric. Here's the other side. Here's some spider web with some spiders on it. That one was in black, this one's in orange. Here's some black with gray circles, and then they're white around the outer edge. Then there is white fabric, and I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but it has little white stars, so it's white on white. Oh, there you go, maybe you can see it. And then there is the connected dots in white fabric with black. So I saw this from one of my YouTubers I watch, and what we're doing is we're getting the instructions and the PDF patterns. They're going to be posted on Wednesdays on their web page, and we just go to it. And so starting, this is a 5-week program, so the first week is the 22nd, and they'll give us directions. The second week is the 29th, then the third is the 5th of September, the fourth one is the 12th of September, and the last one is the 19th of September. And after that 5-week period, we will have a quilt. It'll be a 36 and a half, I think, by 36 and a half, somewhere right around there. Okay, I will go ahead and I'll put the link down below if you're interested in participating for this. It didn't take but about a week and I had my fabric. So, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.